Good evening everyone and welcome to this session 14 from the chapter of properties of matter. The topic is the buoyancy or the buoyant force, and based on this topic I have written here three important points in order to understand this topic. So buoyancy or the buoyant force is the upward force which is acting on a body when it is immersed in a fluid, and it is equal to the weight of the liquid displaced by the immersed part of the body. Now if h is the height of the body which is immersed in a fluid, then the buoyant force will be equal to rho into h into g into a, where rho is the density of the fluid, a is the area of cross section of the body which is immersed in the fluid, and g is the acceleration due to gravity, and h is the height of the body which is immersed in the fluid. Now the third important point here is that the buoyant force acts at the center of buoyancy, which is the center of gravity of the liquid displaced by the body when it is immersed in the fluid. So the most important thing here which you all have to remember is that the buoyant force is equal to rho into h into g into a, and the second important point is that the buoyant force acts at the center of buoyancy, which is the center of gravity of the liquid displaced by the body when immersed in a fluid. So in the next session now I will be discussing about the laws of flotation. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.